How to connect copper to chest in Minecraft. So what we normally do is just simply place a chest and put the hopper, which will not work, of course. So the method to basically attach the hopper to the chest is just simply holding shift on your keyboard, then just simply right clicking on the chest. And as you can see, I've placed it on the top. You could also do this with the sides right here. So hold your shift key, then click on right click. And as you can see, the the thing right there that connects it, it will be different. So when I connect it on top, it will be right there. And if I connect it to the right side, the attachment will be on the left side right here, and this one will be on the right side. And this is very helpful since when I place a block and it just goes through the hopper and into the chest right here. As you can see, this was the oak log, and I'm gonna put more and go back to the chest. As you can see, the oak log has been stored. And that's how I basically attach or connect a hopper to a chest in Minecraft.